Well, let's see if this will focus. Got my tinning done on the RSSI pad right there again. One of those nice small ones. Right here for VSW, I've got the 9-volt center pad and the left pad, the 9 volts bridged. And right here, there's another bridge for 9 volt pull up to 12 volts. 1.2 ready-made RC video transmitter has to have that, or it won't power up. So there's those 3 places tinned, and now I'm going to start putting the pins on it. Well, there's all the pins soldered on. I don't mind doing the pins that much. It's these 4 right here, and then the 4 on this side of the board, and the big ESC and battery pads. And the big pads aren't as bad as these 4 right in here. I just hate doing them. Such be life. Might wait till tomorrow to do them. Okay, I got my RSSI soldered on. I put a little drop of hot glue right here to hold that wire so this connection stays good. It just really has the potential for breaking loose. It's a very small diameter wire and a very small area of solder. So that's finished, except for these 4 solder pads right here for supply voltage from this BEC board. And the BEC board, I've tinned the 4 connectors back there that are going to get this voltage, and then these that are going to do the ESC and battery, and then there's a capacitor I'm going to put right here. I think that's only needed for batteries 6S and above. It's not really needed for 3S or 4S batteries, but it can't hurt to put it on there, so we'll just put it on there. Well, there's the 4 wires that go up to the BEC board. Not my greatest work, but it is a good connection. Okay, that's far from pretty, but it is physically and electrically cool. I can't pull the wires off of there, but boy, it was tough. And there's the 4 BEC wires soldered. Again, not pretty, but well soldered and not touching each other. Well, I closed it up and connected a battery. We don't have smoke yet, but we all know I destroyed one flight controller, 765, by getting a component near the BEC wires too hot. So this still has to be checked much further. Also got my RSSI pin coming out right there, and it's captured a little bit by the nylon spacer and the little rubber vibration mount. So that helps keep that RSSI that's connected to the board in the center over here and hot glued to the component in the middle here. It's also kind of captured a little bit right there.